Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam initialization fail. So let's dive right in. We need to stop Steam working in the background of our system. For this, go to taskbar and here in this arrow icon, you will find the Steam icon. Right click on it and select exit Steam. Then click on Steam, therefore open up again, open the Steam app and see if the problem has solved. If not, then follow this. Right click on the Steam icon and go to properties. From shortcut, click on open file location. From here you will find the Steam app. Again click on properties, then go to compatibility, and here you just need to check this run this program in compatibility mode for, and again this one that run the program as an administrator. Then click on apply, then click on OK. After this, you just need to restart your PC, then open your Steam app on your system and you will find that the problem has been solved. That's all. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.